Hey everyone, Pedro here. In the series about managing a circle community, let's talk now about notifications. So if you're an admin, you're gonna have two views. Can go on settings, and then you're gonna have here notifications inside account. But just because you're an admin, I'm gonna show up how it looks like for a member, and you can set up all your notifications here. So to email, in-app, and push. Here is about comments, replies, mentions, DMs, the weekly digest, where you can subscribe to here as well, or unsubscribe, and all for posts. You can bulk change here for all on pinned posts, on pinned posts. Let me show you an example of what a pinned post looks like. Is whenever an admin or a moderator pin a post right here. This is a pinned post on the top, but also here are the pinned posts on the side. So these are pinned posts. You can choose for never, or for each space you can choose your own settings. So, but one thing that I do recommend is for you creating a post like this one, like how members can manage their notifications. Then I'm gonna have this template here. You can copy later, feel free to, or create your own. And here how notification settings shows up for members. So whenever members click on their profile, they're gonna see notifications here. So it's the same view here, just on the side. What I mentioned is different for admins. But yeah, members can choose here, and also bulk choose, and for a specific space as well. Or they can also turn off all notifications and just remember to send changes. So in my previous video, I talked about specific settings for notifications when you create new space, or you can also add space notifications. Let me go over here quickly before I show you. So I have the discussion space here. I can go on settings, edit space, and here in new post notifications, I can set up this for new members only. So remember, whenever a new member joins the space, they're gonna be notified about an email and in-app. If I unselect this, it doesn't change for existing members, so now new members won't get new post notifications, but they can always change there in the settings. So this is how notification works in Circle. Let me know any questions. See you in the next video.